welcome. Sue has finished her work. He has been studying for days. I have been here for 2 years.
As you can see, today we will focus on the present perfect versus the present perfect continuous. Let's start.
Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. She has painted the wall. He has been painting all day.
Josh has been a professor for many years. He has been teaching this class for 2 hours.
They have done exercises. He has been running for 30 minutes.
The present perfect versus the present perfect continuous. Let's see the difference. We use the present perfect to refer to finished actions. Example, she has painted the wall. We use the present perfect continuous to refer to unfinished actions. Example, he has been painting the wall all day.
We use the present perfect to refer to permanent actions. John has been a professor for 12 years. We use the present perfect continuous to refer to temporary actions. He has been teaching this class for 2 hours.
We use the present perfect to emphasize on the result of the action. They have done exercises. We use the present perfect continuous to emphasize on the duration of the action. He has been running for 30 minutes.
Pay attention to the correct form of the verbs and the auxiliaries used.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Bye!